The goods train between Bhilai to Lucknow without rakes can go up to the speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and the speed gets diminished by the quantity that varies as the square root of the number of wagons attached. Speed gets diminished, or the drop in speed is linked to square root of number of wagons. And it's diminished by a quantity that varies as the square root of the number of wagons attached. So there's 4 wagons attached. So the number of wagons is 4. Then speed is 56. Without rakes, it can go at 72. So 0 wagons attached, it is 72. That means it falls to by 16. Square root of W is 2. These two are linked. The greatest number of wagons with which the engine can just move. So from 72, it drops by 16 to go to 56. Suppose I wanted to not move at all, this should be 72. The drop in speed should be 72. 16 is linked to 2. What will 72 be linked to? 16 is linked to 2. 8 is linked to 1. Directly proportional. Varies as. And I don't want to write it as delta S is proportional to square root of W. Delta S is equal to K times root W and all that. 16 is linked to 2. 8 is linked to 1. 72. 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72. 1 into 9 should be 9. Square root of wagons is 9, or number of wagons is 9 square, 81. There are 81 wagons attached, or 81 rakes attached to this. The speed will go to 0. The speed is not 0, we can just move 80.